Hi everyone, today we're looking at a beautiful wallet by Nordform. Nordform reached out to me and sent me this product at no cost to myself in return for 4 months of testing and a review. This one. As always, opinions are my own and Nordform haven't had any input in the making of this video. With that out of the way, this is the Nordform Slimfold wallet, a vegetable tanned leather wallet designed in Denmark and handmade in Italy. Looking around the wallet, we have a single pocket on the outside, leaving the other side clean and minimal. Moving inside, we have 3 upright pockets, plus 1 horizontal on the other side, and finally we have what I would call a cash slot in the middle. Dimensions when closed are 11 by 7.5 centimeters, and the width is about 1 centimeter, but will change depending on what you've got inside. It's marketed as being able to hold 12 cards, so let's try that first of all. As you can see, all 12 cards do fit quite nicely. We have 3 on the inside of one side, 3 on the inside of the other, 3, 1 in each slot, 2 on the inner horizontal fold and 1 on the outside. And we have no problems at all getting everything in and it closing quite nicely. I'll also note too, the outside pocket is just slightly wider than a standard credit card size. I imagine this is to give a little extra room if you want to pop in a business card or a receipt in there alongside your normal card. Certainly that's how I've used it anyway, and it's still perfectly tight to keep a single credit card in there, so no need to worry there. Let's talk colours now. The full grain leather comes in black, hazel, walnut, tan, and this, the mocha colour. There are also 2 vegan leathers, which are clay and moss in colour. The vegan options are great for the eco-conscious, but it's also good to note that Nordform only use leather from the Leather Working Group gold-rated tanneries. This means the leather you're purchasing comes from a tannery that takes social, ethic and economic responsibility seriously. Good stuff. Nordform do actually offer 3 types of wallets. This is the Slimfold wallet. They also have a slim wallet with no folding bit and a larger, more traditional bifold wallet. I have personally been using a slim wallet for the last 5 years or so I was intrigued to go back to the folding design to give it a go. Having done so for the last 4 months or so, I have a few thoughts on it. First of all, I don't store 12 cards in my wallet. In fact, I keep 3 cards in the main section, my driving license there, and then 1 card on the outside, using the middle section for cash. If you are based here in the UK, our cash is just slightly too big, such that the £20 notes get a bit squashed in the middle of the wallet. I believe Euro notes are slightly smaller, so you should be absolutely fine if you're on the continent. An important one for me, because my wallet lives in the back pocket of my jeans, I often sit down on it. And that means over time, the credit card numbers actually imprint themselves onto the leather, which not only looks bad, but also realistically is a security risk too. I would show you my old wallet, but with the sheer number of viewers on this channel, I fear I may find myself the victim of fraud. Talking of sheer numbers, feel free to drop me a like and subscribe down below if you're finding the video useful. The folding wallet completely eliminates this issue, which I do like. Although there is a risk of it happening on the outer pocket, it's not actually happened yet, which is good. Talking of the outer pocket, the priority pocket as Nordform call it, I genuinely find it quite useful. I know it's not a huge thing, but being able to grab my most used card quickly is a real convenience, and stuffing a receipt in there is genuinely better than stuffing it in a pocket and then finding later on that I've washed it in the washing machine. Wear-wise, after 4 months of daily usage, it has worn quite nicely. Good quality leather does tend to wear well, and each wallet will have its own unique pattern over time. Here is a day 1 and day 100 comparison for you to have a look at on nordformstore.com. It's a real nice example of what to expect from your wallet. Looking around my wallet specifically, there are no issues with the stitching whatsoever, and the edges still look nicely finished. There is a small amount of wear where the credit card numbers touch the sides of the wallet, and a kind of scratch pattern is of course there. But it's perfectly reasonable in my opinion. Other scratching has come from when I put my keys and wallet in the same pocket, but on the whole it looks really quite nice. If you like that natural patina effect, and if you're looking at other products in this price range, I'm sure you do, you'll be really quite happy with this wallet and how it ages. On to price, and the Slimfold wallet comes in at €105. You can also get the Slim wallet at €90 and the Bifold at 120. The price point for this type of handmade full grain leather product is really very reasonable, and I'd happily recommend it to anybody looking to buy a quality wallet that will last a lifetime. Nordform also offer a 5-year guarantee on their wallets too, which is great, and they also have a 100-day returns policy just in case. It's really good to see a brand properly supporting their products with extended warranties such as this. I've also reached out to their customer service team too and was very impressed by their responses. For more on that, you can look at my review on the Nordform Worker briefcase above. In conclusion then, if you're looking for a proper leather wallet that is strong and supple and going to wear really quite well, then the Nordform Slimfold wallet is a really fantastic choice. In the 4 months that I've been using it, I've been very impressed with it, and ultimately it hasn't put a foot wrong. The stitching has held up really nicely. There's no wear along the fold lines or the size of the wallet, and everything is still nice and tight inside, so there's no risk of anything escaping. It's only a small thing too, but shipping was really quite impressive. It arrived with me in 2 days and came via DHL, which is reassuring because whenever I see an email from Every saying my order is coming, I do worry that I'll never see it. Nordform's customer service, free extended warranty and Trustpilot reviews give me full confidence in the brand and their commitment to deliver a quality product and back it up with good after-sales service. Thanks Nordform for sending me the wallet. It's been a pleasure using it and abusing it over the last few months. That's it for today. If you have any questions, do pop them in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you ASAP. Otherwise, stay well and I will see you on the next one.